Hello and welcome to the Taxology. I am C. Priyanshu Goyal and this audio episode is part of my podcast series, The Taxology, which aims at imparting information on crucial concepts of the Indian taxation scenario. If you prefer to listen in Hindi, you can watch my videos on YouTube and Instagram. You can find my profile by the name C. Priyanshu. As with other episodes in this series, this is going to be a very short clip to convey only relevant matters. Before we begin with today's content, I would just like to mention that if you feel like connecting with me, I am available on Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter by the name CA Priyanshu. In this clip, we are going to discuss the taxability of carbon credits. So what is this carbon credit and what exactly is the underlying concept? As known to all, emission of greenhouse gases and the consequent global warming is the issue since years. So as one of the measures to deal with this, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change introduced Certified Emission Reductions or CER, a type of carbon credits. Carbon credits in respect of 1 unit shall mean reduction of 1 ton of carbon dioxide emission or emission of equivalent gases which has been validated by United Nations Framework on Climate Change, and which can be traded in market at prevailing price. These carbon credits are traded in market wherein the organizations emitting the greenhouse gases in excess of permitted limits can purchase such credits from organizations emitting the greenhouse gases below the threshold. Now coming on to the taxability of carbon credits as per the Income Tax Act 1961, we can refer the provisions of Section 115 BBG. Section 115 BBG provides that income by way of transfer of carbon credits shall be taxable at the rate of 10%. Further, in computing such income, assessee will not be allowed any deduction in respect of any expenditure or allowance under any provision of the Income Tax Act. So that's all for this clip. I hope you'll find this useful, and if there's any related query or question about this, feel free to reach out to me on info@priyanshugoyal.com.